Your professors have a plan for you. They see you spending endless hours hunched over textbooks, surrounded by a fortress of research papers. They want you to grind. They tell you success is paid for with late nights, blurry vision, and enough caffeine to worry a doctor. That's the old way, the path paved with suffering and the smell of highlighter fumes. It's what they had to do, and it's what they expect from you. But what if there's a better way, a smarter way? What if there are websites so powerful, so effective, that using them almost feels like you found a cheat code? These aren't just study aids, they're the secret weapons the top students don't want you to know about. These are the tools that automate the boring stuff, speed up your learning, and give you an edge that feels almost unfair. Today we're breaking the code of silence. I'm about to show you 5 websites that will completely change how you study. These platforms use incredible AI and raw computational power to do the heavy lifting for you, so you can focus on what actually matters, understanding the material and acing your exams. Forget the grind. It's time to study smarter, not harder. Let's get into it. Coming in at number 5 is the tool that's going to end your chaotic, late-night Google searches for good. Perplexity AI. You know the scene. It's 1 a.m., a 10-page research paper is due in 2 days, and you've been staring at a blinking cursor on a blank page for 3 hours. The topic is ridiculously complex, something like the geopolitical implications of post-war economic policies in Eastern Europe. Your professor wants a nuanced argument backed by peer-reviewed sources, so you do what we all do. You go to Google, type it in, and get hit with a tidal wave of 53 million results. You've got Wikipedia, sketchy blogs, 10-year-old news articles, and maybe, just maybe, a useful academic journal buried on page 17. An hour later, you have 30 tabs open, you're more confused than when you started, and that page is still mockingly blank. That's the grind that kills your momentum. Now, picture this instead. You go to Perplexity AI. You ask it the exact same thing, but this time, something incredible happens. Perplexity doesn't just throw a list of links at you. It reads and understands the internet for you, delivering a direct, clean answer in well-structured paragraphs. But here's the part that feels like a cheat code. At the end of every statement, you get a citation, a little number that links you straight to the source. This is a total game changer. The hour you just wasted sifting through digital garbage is now cut down to 30 seconds. And it gets better. See a source that looks promising? Just click the citation, and you're looking at the exact article it pulled from. From there, you can go deeper. You can ask follow-up questions like you're talking to a person. Can you explain the Marshall Plan's effect on Yugoslavia? Or what were the main arguments against this policy back then? Perplexity remembers the context of your conversation, acting like a personal research assistant who's read everything and can recall any fact instantly. What really pushes this into cheating territory is the focus feature. Need only academic sources. One click, and Perplexity will only search for peer-reviewed papers. No more guessing if a source is credible. You can also focus its search on Wolfram Alpha for data, YouTube for videos, or even Reddit to see what people are saying. For premium users, you can even upload your own files. Got a dense 50-page PDF you're supposed to read? Upload it and just start asking questions. Summarize the key arguments here. What evidence is on page 27? You're literally having a conversation with your documents. This isn't just about finding info faster. It's about understanding it on a whole new level, with a fraction of the work. That's why Perplexity AI kicks off our list at number 5. At number 4 is a tool that targets one of the most painful parts of being a student: writing. More specifically, the agonizing process of making your writing actually sound good. Meet Quillbot. We've all been there. The ideas are in your head. You've even managed to get some sentences on the page, but they're clunky, awkward. You've used the word important 6 times in one paragraph, and your writing sounds more like a rambling text message than a college paper. You know what you want to say, but the words just aren't working. So you spend an hour moving a comma back and forth, swapping out words, and slowly starting to hate everything. Enter Quillbot. Now, you might look at it and think, oh, it's just a paraphrasing tool. but that's like calling a smartphone just a phone. It's so much more. You paste in your clunky paragraph, click a button, and Quillbot instantly rewrites it. And this isn't some cheap synonym swapper that spits out nonsense. Its AI analyzes the meaning and context of your sentences to give you a rewrite that's not just grammatically correct, but actually sounds better. Here's where it gets really good. Quillbot has different modes. Need to sound more professional? Use formal mode. Trying to be more concise? Hit shorten. Need to explain a complex idea simply? There's a simple mode. The real weapon for students, though, is the premium academic mode, which rephrases your ideas using the sophisticated language that professors love to see. It's like having a professional editor on call 24/7. But Quillbot doesn't stop there. It's a whole writing toolkit. It has a grammar checker that's more powerful than the one in your word processor. It has a summarizer that can boil down long articles into a few key bullet points, perfect for making study guides. And for the final boss of any paper, it has a citation generator. It helps you create perfectly formatted citations in APA, MLA, or Chicago style, saving you from that tedious, soul-crushing task. Best part is the co-writer, which puts all of this into one place. You can write your essay, paraphrase a tricky sentence, check your grammar, and create a citation without ever switching tabs. It's a smooth, seamless workflow that helps you smash through writer's block by giving you instant alternatives for your sentences. It takes the most annoying parts of writing off your plate so you can focus on what really matters, your ideas and your arguments. That powerful advantage is why Quillbot is our number 4. Our third website solves a problem every single student understands: trying to drink from the fire hose of information that is a college lecture. Say hello to Otter AI, your personal AI note-taker. You know the feeling. You're in a huge lecture hall. Your professor is brilliant, but they talk a mile a minute. They're jumping from a critical definition to a complex diagram, then telling a story that you think might be on the exam. You're trying to listen, understand, and write it all down at the same time. Your hand is cramping, your notes are a disaster of half-finished thoughts, and you just know you're missing important stuff. You glance over at the student next to you, and they're just listening. They look totally relaxed. Their secret? Their phone is on the desk, and Otter AI is doing all the work for them. Otter AI is an app that turns spoken words into a searchable, editable text document, and it does it in real time. You just hit record on your phone or laptop, and Otter creates a live transcript of everything your professor says. This alone is a huge win. You're now free to actually think about the concepts, watch the presentation, and just absorb the information without the stress of writing everything down. But the real magic happens after the lecture. You now have a perfect word-for-word transcript, and get this, the whole transcript is synced to the audio. So if you read a sentence that makes no sense, you just click on it, and boom, you hear the exact moment your professor said it, with their original tone and emphasis. This completely changes how you study. Instead of trying to figure out what your scribbles mean, you can just search the transcript. Can't remember the definition of Keynesian economics? Just type it in the search bar, and Otter finds every single time it was mentioned. It's like having a search function for all of your lectures. You can also add to the transcript as it's being made. You can highlight key sections, add comments, or even snap a picture of a whiteboard diagram and drop it right into your notes. After class, Otter's AI can even generate an automatic summary for a quick review. For any student, but especially for those who have hearing difficulties, attention challenges, or for whom English is a second language, this tool is revolutionary. And for online classes, you can just connect Otter to your Zoom or Google Meet, and it will join the class and transcribe it for you automatically. Using Otter AI is like having a superpower. You can be fully present in your classes, confident that every single word is being captured. It turns hours of lecture into a perfect, searchable library of knowledge. That's why Otter AI is number 3 on our list. All right, we are officially past the halfway mark. You now have tools to supercharge your research, perfect your writing, and capture every word of your lectures. If you're already getting a ton of value from this video, do me a quick favor and hit that subscribe button. We're always finding and breaking down tools like these to help you win at school and in life, and you don't want to miss the next secret weapon we find. And trust me, you are not going to want to miss the final two websites. They are the most powerful of all. Now let's get back to it. Taking the number 2 spot is a website that's been the secret weapon for STEM students for years, and it just keeps getting better. This isn't a search engine. It's a computational knowledge engine. This is Wolfram Alpha. If you've ever taken a math, physics, or engineering class, you know this pain. It's Sunday night. You're working on a problem set, and you're staring at a calculus problem that looks less like math and more like an ancient curse. You've been stuck on this one problem for an hour. The textbook gives you a single, useless example, and your notes aren't helping. Panic starts to set in. This one problem is a wall, and the rest of your homework is just waiting. This is where most students get frustrated and give up. But the student with the secret weapon opens Wolfram Alpha doesn't just give them the answer. That would be too easy. It gives them the full step-by-step solution, breaking down the entire nightmare problem into small, easy-to-understand chunks. It shows you every single step, the integration, the simplification, everything you need to get from problem to solution. That is what makes it feel like cheating. It's not a calculator giving you a number. It's a tutor that shows you how to think. All of a sudden, the impossible problem isn't just solved, it's understood. You see exactly where you went wrong and learn how to do it right for the next one. And this thing is an absolute beast for any class with numbers. In chemistry, it can balance chemical equations and calculate molar mass. In physics, you can plug in the variables for a motion problem and it will solve for the rest, complete with diagrams. It can analyze engineering circuits, handle complex stats, and even give you detailed nutritional information. One of its coolest features is its ability to work with real-world data. You can ask it to compare the economies of 2 countries, plot the flight path of a satellite, or analyze the data on climate change. It pulls from a massive, curated database to give you structured, reliable answers. For those who want to go even further, the Notebook Edition turns Wolfram Alpha into an interactive learning environment where you can change variables and see the results update in real time. It's like a living textbook. Using Wolfram Alpha is like having a genius mathematician, physicist, and engineer on speed dial. It doesn't just do your homework, it teaches you how the homework gets done. It's the ultimate cheat code for anything involving numbers, and it easily earns its spot at number 2. And now for the number 1 spot. The website that feels so much like cheating, you might actually feel a little guilty using it. We're talking about a tool many of you know, but with an AI feature so powerful, it changes everything. This is Quizlet, supercharged with magic notes. Here is the ultimate student struggle. You've gone to the lectures, done the reading, and you have pages and pages of notes. They're a dense, disorganized mess of information. The final exam is next week. You know that to pass, you have to turn those notes into actual study materials. Flashcards, practice questions, summaries. This is the most important part of studying, but it's also the most boring and time-consuming. It can take hours, even days, of mind-numbing work before you can even start studying. This is the problem that Quizlet's Magic Notes completely obliterates. You go to Quizlet, select Magic Notes, and either paste in your class notes or upload the entire document. You click one button, and then you watch. In seconds, Quizlet's AI reads and understands everything. It identifies all the key terms, definitions, and important concepts from your notes. Then, it automatically turns that raw mess into a full set of study tools. It builds a complete deck of digital flashcards. It generates a clean outline of your notes for a quick review. And the best part, it creates a practice test for you, with multiple choice and short answer questions based on your own material. Let me say that again, because it's insane. The hours of work it would have taken to manually create all of this are now done by an AI in less than a minute. You are outsourcing the worst part of studying to a machine, freeing you up to spend all that time on the stuff that actually gets you a better grade, practicing and memorizing. And it doesn't stop there. You now have access to Quizlet's entire learning system. Use Learn Mode, which uses spaced repetition to drill you on the things you struggle with most. Use Test Mode to get a feel for the real exam. There are even AI-powered expert solutions for problems from your actual textbooks. This is the absolute peak of studying smarter, not harder. It's a tool that takes your own material, your notes from your class with your professor, and builds a personalized study engine around it. It kills procrastination and cuts out the grunt work of preparing for an exam. It's the single biggest efficiency hack a student has. It saves you time, helps you understand more, and gets you better grades. That is why Quizlet with Magic Notes is the #1 study website that feels like cheating. So that's the list. 5 websites so powerful they can completely upgrade your life as a student. We covered Perplexity AI, your personal research assistant; Quillbot, the writing wizard that makes you sound like a genius; Otter AI, the lecture assistant that never misses a word; Wolfram Alpha, the computational powerhouse that solves any problem with numbers; and finally, Quizlet with Magic Notes, the machine that automates your studying. The old way, the grind, the stress, the all-nighters is over. These tools aren't about being lazy. They're about being smart. They automate the boring tasks so you can focus your energy on what counts, thinking critically and actually mastering the material. The future of learning is about leverage, and these tools give you that leverage. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these are you going to try first? And what other secret weapon websites do you use that feel like cheating? Drop them in the comments below. Let's build a master list for everyone. If you found this useful, make sure you're subscribed, because the world of AI in education is moving fast, and we'll be here to break down every new advantage as it shows up. Thanks for watching, and go study smarter.